In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first reach Settings, then find and select Passwords and Accounts and click on Add Account. Select Google and now enter your phone number or email, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case it is email address. And once it's entered, tap on Next. And now just provide your password. Let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. And then tap on Next again. Agree if you read and do agree with Google Terms of Service, Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Then just click on I agree, tap on accept then, and that's it. As you can see, it has been added. Then whenever you would like to remove Google account, just mark it, tap on remove account, select remove account again, and tap on OK, and use pattern or fingerprint to confirm your decision. And it has been removed, as you can see. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.